Hi guys, today I've got this really easy high curly bun updo for you. To start, I've curled the hair. This doesn't have to be perfect, and then we're just going to place it into a ponytail about the height of the top of the ears. Next, I've taken a clear elastic band and added 2 bobby pins to either end, and I'm just going to twist the ponytail and then put it on top of the head, holding it flat to the head. Then I'm going to take one of those bobby pins attached to that band and slip it underneath the ponytail, making sure I catch the hair underneath. Holding in place, I'm going to pull the other bobby pin over the top of the ponytail and back underneath, making sure that the pins crisscross each other. Now flip the ponytail back over, and all we're going to do is take a chunk of hair from the top of that ponytail, roll it towards the front of the head and hold it in the place in the middle with a finger, and then just secure it from either side with a couple of bobby pins. Then we're going to do the same step again. So take a slice of hair, roll it towards the front right hand side of that bun and slip a couple of bobby pins in. And then to finish off the front of the bun, I'm going to do this one more time. So take a slice of hair, we're going to bring it over to the left, roll your fingers under to create a small loop and pin it to the head with as many bobby pins as needed. So we've essentially created the front of the bun. Now, taking big sections, I'm just going to wrap these around a couple of fingers to create a full loop, and I'm going to hold this to the head on the right hand side and again secure it both sides with a few bobby pins. Now it's got a little bit of tail ends left over, so again I'm just going to wrap those around my fingers to create a loop and pin them to create the bottom of the bun. And then this last section, I'm going to create the left side of the bun again by grabbing the hair and wrapping it around a couple of fingers to create a loop. I always tuck my ends inside and then secure with a couple of bobby pins. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.